Yeah, so things like that. So that is it for that. And let's see what we have more here. Videos. Let me go to the home section. You can also add apps like apps, trending apps, like you see 3D, um, more things, vector AI. This for the generation of generate QR code, logo, countdown. Let's say for the countdown used in, or let's say used in a new project. Yeah, whiteboard. Generate. Yeah, this is for the Valentine's. So I should generate the countdown clock for Valentine. So you can see countdown clock for Valentine. Automatically it's going to count it for the Valentine till it gets to the Valentine. So 6 days for the Valentine. And then you can make adjustment here. How many times you want, period, then the AM, PM, time zone, date, digit, label. You see? So I say the digit should be like maybe bounce, yeah, update design, and we wait for it to update. It's really good how Canva do all this, makes works more easier, you know. As you can see, bounce, you see. So yeah. So well, I think that will be for all for this project, and maybe with this you can actually create your own design. And if you need more explanation, you can also contact me. I'll be there to explain for any questions or anything. So yeah. All right. Thank you so much, and bye.